everybody, thanks for coming back for another video. Today we're going to show you how we take our own engagement pictures, and I promise they're going to look professional. So we're going to show you how we do it and take you along with us. Yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So guys, in order to take these pictures by yourself, you're obviously going to need some help. So you need a tripod. We got our tripod from Walmart. I had one from Amazon, but I'll link the one that I had from Amazon below. And you need one that has a remote. This one from Walmart had a remote and a ring light. And what else did it have?
Shutter.
Oh yeah, and that's all. A shutter thing. So this goes all the way up. It's retractable and it bends or whatever. So you need that to stand up and a remote so you can just flick it up. So we'll show you guys what we're talking about. Anyway guys, this is our setup. So our tripod that comes with the remote. Kwame has it. Can I see? Yeah, so the remote has an iPhone button and an Android button. And then this part, we actually just got this too. So you can hear us a little better, which right now I'm not using. But we have to connect this part because we have an iPhone. And we're just using our iPhone 11 to take these pictures. So here we are just testing the light in the background. We're not sure if we want to face the street or if we want to face the view. As you can see, we chose to face the view of the city. And yeah, we're just practicing how we're going to stand in front of the camera. We're looking at ourselves. I think that's the most important thing that you should do is record yourself, look at yourself, and see if you're in frame. And Kwame's primping my hair. But just make sure that you're in frame so that your pictures can turn out nice. So decided to do a collage so we can send to our family and friends, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. So one way that I make my collages, as you can see this one right there, I go into the app Canva and then I press templates, and you can see like there's so many different ones that you can choose from. And all the way down here they have one that says like wedding or whatever. So you can press see all and just pick ones that you want. I chose this one, and then the pictures that I took, I just made them black and white so it can fit that theme. But I'm also going to keep looking for some more. And if you want to print them out after this, you can send them to like CVS or Walgreens. However you print your photos, it's the same way. Or if you want to do it in bulk, you can go straight to Staples. Yeah, you can send them to Staples and have it printed out in bulk. So, and now you just cut the cost right in half.
Hey guys, thanks for coming along as Deanna had the brilliant idea to shoot our engagement pictures. She is a professional editor.
I'm not,
photographer.
But hopefully we gave y'all some ideas on how to take your own pictures.
Y'all see how she glowing?
Oh, it's that
what is it?
Pregnancy glow.
Hey, give me some Vogue with it though.
Vogue.
Hey.